Students, today we are going to discuss with n factorial. N factorial is equals to or is product of first n natural numbers with 0 factorial is always equals to 1. If you look at this product of first n natural numbers starts with 1 up to n. It means is it nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 so on up to n. The term previous to n will be obviously n minus 1. The term previous to n minus 1 will be obviously n minus 2 with a 0 factorial is equals to 1. For sake of simplicity, we write down this n factorial as equals to n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 so on up to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied with 1 with a 0 factorial is always equals to 1. Now this n factorial can also be denoted with the notation and read as factorial n, or someone may say that n factorial. For example, 5 factorial can be written as product of, obviously once we say that n factorial is product of first n natural numbers, 5 factorial will be product of first 5 natural numbers. Means clearly it will be 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. For our convenience, we write down it as 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which counts to 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 to the 6, it will be equals to 120. On the same parallel lines, 11 factorial can be written as product of first 11 natural numbers. Means it will be obviously 1 into 2 into 3 so on up to 11. Means it will be 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 so on up to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied with 1. This 11 factorial, 5 factorial, if I write down 13 factorial or say 18 factorial, it is product of first 18 natural numbers. It will be 18, 17, 16 so on up to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. If you look at this carefully, shall I write down this 11 factorial in terms of 9 factorial? Shall I write down this 11 factorial in terms of 5 factorial? Is it possible that I could write down this 11 factorial in terms of 3 factorial? It is very obvious, because 11 factorial will gives you the product of first 11 natural numbers. Means I can write down that 11 factorial as 11 multiplied by, is it equals to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. It means it is product of 10 natural numbers. Shall I write down 11 factorial as 11 multiplied by 10 factorial? You can write down it as 11 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9 factorial also. You can write down the same as 11 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by, remaining elements will be obviously the product of first 6 natural numbers, which is 6 factorial. Clearly, shall I generalize n factorial as n multiplied by n minus 1 bracket factorial? It means n factorial can be written in terms of n multiplied by n minus 1 bracket factorial. Is it clear what I have written? This m plus n bracket factorial will never equals m factorial plus n factorial. On the same parallel lines, m minus n bracket factorial will never equals n factorial minus n factorial. Again, shall I say m multiplied by n bracket factorial can be written as m factorial multiplied by n factorial? Clearly not. It means the sum difference product of the mn bracket factorial will never equals their factorial sum. But m factorial divided by n factorial can be given in terms of, if you look at this 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial, shall I say that it is clearly 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by remaining elements will be 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial, which comes to or which gives the answer as 8 multiplied by 7.